were speaking. Is it start? Okay, you speak. What were you saying when he was describing that point?
I said Parali is not a major concern. At 2000, after before 2015, Parali are also burned. After 2015, what things are happened to increase the pollution?
Reduce the pollution.
To produce the pollution, as more we can see, and major factors which were affected, and the city as like too much
Vehicles.
vehicles on road,
Too many vehicles.
too many vehicles on roads, and too many industries, and
Plastic uses.
and and maybe
And
Explore, Ramesh, explore.
see, this is the time when you are speaking from your mind. This is not scripted, right? So whatever you speak from your mind, and you are making mistakes. I know. I'm not correcting you again and again, because if I correct you, so I have to correct every second, every time. So I'm not correcting because you are just going with the flow. That I want. Okay.
So we don't need to correct them.
Hmm?
Let them go.
We need to correct them, but not the every time, because we have to just tell
Right
the
now.
major mistakes right now. Yeah.
Right now,
Speak. Because if I correct you every time, you will not get the flow.
In winter time,
Hmm.
we face pollution and some gases when warm air and cold air together.
They mix up.
They mix up, then
The gases is
the
produced.
gases produce smoke and oxygen.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And pollution.
Look at the camera, everybody.
Pollution is major problem.
Hmm.
We should try to use battery vehicle.
Very good. I was thinking about this point.
Also, we have seen in winter time, dust is also on the road too much,
Hmm.
and trees also.
Hmm.
If rain happen in coming day,
If it rains,
if it rain, then little bit weather clean,
will be clean.
will be clean,
Hmm.
and these are
Okay. So, what are your suggestions for the overcoming?
if we plant more trees,
Okay.
and
We use government vehicle,
Government.
government vehicle,
It's not vehicle. It's vehicles,
vehicles,
not vehicles.
vehicles,
Hmm.
government
Vehicles.
and we
So you are saying we should travel by government vehicles, DTC bus, like that. So don't you think we have so much crowd in bus?
why?
Why? When you go by the DTC bus,
many bus, so
even every bus is full of people. Like there is too much crowd.
No,
Yeah.
It is an advice for my side. The government provide the many bus, many metros,
Many buses, many metro.
metros, so people
can
can travel. easily.
Okay, you are saying that we should use
Many
government
buses
transportation.
is vehicle
Hmm.
and just we use AC. They produce gas name I forget, but
Gases.
many gases.
I think we people cutting more trees,
Okay.
Yeah.
and deforestation.
Deforestation is also the major reason.
And in Delhi NCR, which greenery are not green at 2015, before 2015, basically mainly greenery areas are there in Delhi and NCR.
Were there.
But in today time, in Delhi NCR,
In current time.
in today time, in Delhi NCR, there are no more forest like where multiple trees are we see. We have seen we moved to civilized we moved to from civilization side like construct metro urbanization side where multiple works are for connectivity connecting to each other from one place to another place. I think major problems are these. When we have a road on which we
On which we walk.
on walk, why should we need multiple metros station at every 1 kilometer? I think major problem are this when we cutting trees in our area. There are more trees which were
Yeah,
are
but,
there
Let him speak.
which were there.
Okay. Let him speak. He is also saying
but
something.
now in India, very high population.
So.
So people live, they cut the tree and they make home.
Okay. So according to you, you are saying that if people are cutting the trees, so there is a reason, and the reason is that because we have population.
Population.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Actually, sir, I think we should planting the tree
As much as we can.
And another thing is factory area should be out of city
Okay.
and
In village.
after some kilometer not
Okay.
this area.
Yeah, but when we set another area of factory, so people
Try.
people lives in valleys. How to
People who live in Delhi.
who lives in Delhi, so
How they can.
survive, how
People
can work.
Okay.
people come from villages to in a good money and a better life in the city.
To
If
earn
a
to
better-
you
if a
should
better
use you should use the word
Main
you.
reason is
For
transport.
example, Rameshji,
Main reason is transport.
Rameshji is from Himachal Pradesh and he got good opportunity in Delhi. So
Yeah.
he left his home for the sake of family.
if he get a good opportunity in Himachal Pradesh, they
If he could.
if he could get a
But that's not true.
Yeah.
He couldn't get he
And
couldn't
this
get.
time
Himachal Pradesh is not a metropolitan
So one thing
state.
I want to ask, same vehicle,
Vehicles. We kal tomorrow kal vehicles.
same vehicles,
Vehicles.
same vehicles, same population is working on and
Are
going
working.
here and there in summer also. That time is pollution, there is no pollution. It's related by
Pollution.
bomb air and coal air. I think that is the most
Major factor.
major factor of the pollution.
You are not satisfied. Yes, speak.
Yeah, I said
I am not
Major
satisfied.
problem.
It's certainly
and
not
I
that
have a
much
suggestion
high.
So see, you all are speaking. So
Yeah.
this is called
And
debate, or you can say group discussion. That's why we require this kind of discussions because we can get the ideas. We see everybody who is sitting here, everybody has knowledge about everything. At this age, we have so much knowledge. But the reason is that why don't we speak? Why don't we try to speak? Because we feel hesitation. We have fear of public speaking, right? But we have to overcome. How we can? Just because of practice. That's the reason I was asking questions. First I started the story, you were listening, then you were listening, and what did you do? You just told me what was there, right? He was also speaking. Shobit also tried. First initially videos he was saying like I don't know sir, I couldn't get, but after some videos he started speaking as well. So I played one video for him as well, respective videos. Then you came, then we started a topic of pollution which is going on in our society and in our surrounding. So what is going on? What is going on? Because we have seen everything which kind of problem we are facing right now. We have seen that. We have observed. That's the reason we are speaking, because we have the knowledge. But why don't we try? Because we have the fear of public speaking. Just guys, don't think about the mistakes. You guys were making so many mistakes, but I was not trying to correct you every time, because if I correct you, then as he was trying to speak and he was trying to jump, you were also, he was also. So why? Because you were getting ideas. If I stop you, so what will happen? you will not speak. You will lose your enthusiasm, your zest. You know zest, when you have energy. So that's the reason we should also practice every day as much as we can. So we don't have environment at home, we don't have environment at the, you can say, wherever you live, wherever you have your like workplace, your society, your family members, we do not have, because we are Indians, right? So how we can practice in an institute? So try to speak as much as you can. That's why I say speak as much as you can. He says that I will do tomorrow, I will do. See, tomorrow never comes. Tomorrow never comes. If you say tomorrow, then again that day you will do same thing. So the last day will come in your life, you will regret. That will be the deadline, right? So try to speak. If you want to learn something, just try to do something that day, today. If you want to try to do that thing, just do it right now. Okay, that's the reason I say try to practice every day, every time. And when you are alone, try to speak with yourself in mind. If you cannot use your tongue, because people will think that you are mad, you do not have sense how to behave in society, how to behave in public, so you can talk to yourself in mind as well. We also speak, we do speak in Hindi in mind, like अब मैं जा रहा हूँ, अब मैं ये काम करूँगा. We speak like that, right? So try to switch that language in English. You have to convert, you have to switch that language. For example, if you are in washroom, everyone is best and you can say good singer in the washroom, right? Is it true?
Yeah.
So try to speak with yourself in front of mirror, so you can check your body language as well. You were saying something before that, I found that you are trying to speak. How? You know how? When he was speaking, but you were stopped and you were sitting quiet, but how did I know that you are trying to speak something? Just because of your expressions, just because of your body language, I thought that you are trying to speak. That's why I was saying just sit quiet, I will let you speak. Because I found expressions on your face. That's the reason we have to use our body language as well. 50% body language, 50% words. Then it becomes a communication skill. Okay. So carry on.
Sir, my point is, as we know, it's not, we are talking about pollution music. It's not related with shelter and some higher, which farmer or any labor class fire the fire.
They set fire.
Set.
Burning stress.
Or they
So
burn.
I think in my thinking,
In my opinion,
it's related.
I taught you guys many rules and many ways of saying something like I think. I think is very basic, very very basic. If someone you like is going to try to say something from his mind or her mind, they will use I think. Just try to use I in my opinion, in my you can say in my view, from my perspective. If you ask me perspective, if you ask me, so I think the major problem or major factor of producing pollution is transportation. You can speak like that.
Transportation is one, and as I said already, warm air and cold air, when they mixture,
When they mix up.
then they produce humidity 100%. And humidity is like a cold air producing, then it becomes like pollution, air pollution. Otherwise, we can't, we never see in summer. What is your opinion? Which pollution is becoming?
See, what I think.
People should be aware of the ways through our garbage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See.
I think pollution
Reason for it.
Don't use I think. It's very
In my
basic. It's
opinion,
very basic.
In my opinion, many people are not aware.
Many people are not aware.
Not aware about this. So we should advise to every people use dustbin.
Every person.
Every person use dustbin. Where we
Throw.
गीला कूड़ा क्या बोलेंगे? गीला कूड़ा.
Tell him. What is गीला कूड़ा? Wet.
Wet garbage and cold सूखा dry garbage. And second advice, we should use government.
Government. Gava.
Government
Government. R is silent. Government.
government,
Government.
government, and I think I forget 1 second. Government vehicle. And
Vehicle. Vehicles.
Vehicles.
I told you a way. Vehicle. Kalakal. Vehicles. That's how you have to speak.
Government vehicles. And
Government transportation.
nowadays very high level of pollution in Delhi. So
Pollution.
the pollution.
Not pollution. Pollution. Pollution.
Stop
Hmm.
for some time.
Hmm.
And second thing,
Hmm. Speak. Speak.
we should transform plant
Hmm.
and we should use
Factories.
garbage,
Hmm.
not throw in river.
Don't throw in river. Yeah, guys, you all are correct. You all are right that there are multiple factors.
They are, in my opinion,
Opinion. It's like onion. Opinion.
In
Onion.
my opinion,
Hmm.
we should not focus on air pollution. We should focus on soil pollution,
Hmm.
land pollution,
Noise pollution.
noise pollution.
Yeah, every
Because
problem.
in my area, I literally see people are not
Aware about.
about it. They throw everywhere garbage.
They throw wherever they want. And then they complain the government is not doing anything. See, we have to be careful. Everybody is responsible for the society.
Major problem is this: they does not throw.
They do not.
They do not throw near their home.
Hmm.
They throw when they leave their home, and after some point, 100-200 meter.
They just think about their home only. They just get the idea. They just get like if somebody is not watching, do it.
And they throw and make our rivers are too much polluted. Government is invested too much money to cleaning the river, but what we get? We get dirty river.
See Yamuna.
Yamuna.
I watched the video. There was there.
Every year government spent too much crores rupees in cleaning a river, as like Yamuna, Ganga, and many major rivers in India. But we peoples, I felt that we people and we make these mistakes. We pollute our surrounding. We are responsible for this. And if we are sitting 3 to 4 people, if everyone
Thinks about.
our surrounding is like a home,
Yeah, it's home.
they even and stop other people to do not this kind of bullshit work.
Yeah, that's true. See, everybody should be responsible if they want a good environment.
We
If they
are
want.
good kind
Yeah,
of
but
citizen.
when we serve our home after
Yeah.
our garbage we throw inside the
Sanskrit
street.
word, Vasudeva Kutumbakam.
I was about to say that. One family, one earth.
Our motto is this.
But it just written.
Just
Haan.
write on a paper.
Yes.
But
Okay.
in society, we can see there is a good environment of people are educated, so they never do that.
If see, these are few societies.
No, sir. Government is investing
Government-
too much money to aware the people.
Okay.
But people are not aware. In our street there is a vehicle, a garbage vehicle which daily come, but
Which arrives daily.
but people have enjoyed their home when the vehicle gone, they throw everywhere.
Yeah, that's true. And even when they found if there is a plot which is
Major problem in our
and
area.
which is not constructed, so they just throw the garbage.
We like
So when the owner of that house or that property thinks or decides to make a house, he has to pay a lot of money for removing the garbage.
When
So
we
what
when we
about
make the someone we live
right
in
now
a
we are talking about people and we are also people. So what about whenever you eat anything? Like if I talk about myself, my daughter just eaten this chips and she always throw in
good behavior, a good manner.
Or
from-
good manner, yeah.
on good manner
Hmm.
from my side.
So do you do that? Do
Yeah,
that?
I do that.
Do you keep all this garbage
Yeah,
in your
yeah.
pocket of your bag?
See my
Yeah.
pocket. See my pocket of the bag. See,
Can I-
See,
can I-
same,
yeah,
same.
see.
my bag is also
Yes,
there.
this is a good habit. Whenever you have something garbage like this,
I think
you should take responsibility. You are the citizen of
all
the
are responsible for this.
Every individual is responsible, guys. Every individual.
So don't spit on the road.
Even
don't
Shobit.
take dirty.
Yeah, I am also.
Yeah,
Also.
Also.
I am too, or I am also.
I am too.
Also.
But what about and like we are
That's called
saying
good
some
parenting.
Let him speak.
Teach which you teach, which you teach your children. That's called a good parenting.
Yes.
Hmm.
So,
So
whenever-
see, children learn from the parents.
Ah,
Yes.
oh yes.
Even Vaishnavi, she never throw anything on road. Even she stop people when people are doing.
Even
she stops.
I do not like one thing when people spit wherever like they like.
Even
They
if
spit
you
wherever
search
they
on
want.
Google Sangam Vihar,
Yeah.
we faced too many
Because
incidents.
of people are the.
When I was in the college, I was telling about my friends. I was living in Saket, but
So what is the reason behind why people behave like this?
where because their mentality when they search these names Sangam Vihar, like a flowing drainage, black water, these type
What
of
do you think that the people who are living in Oscars, Green Park, Rajpath
They-
Nagar,
they are
not
more-
doing this thing, but people from Sangam,
They-
why they are doing this?
they are educated,
They are
they are
educated.
uneducated. They are also educated, but they behave like uneducated.
What is the reason?
And many.
They are educated, you are also educated, and there are a lot of people who are graduated, even they are throwing.
There are large
dust
number
on-
of people living. Some people are uneducated. Which one-
Majority of the people.
But I'm
Majority
talking
of
about, I have seen so many people who are educated, still they are throwing things on road,
They
still
see-
they are abusing each other,
Ma'am,
and behaving like
Ma'am,
that.
we see when we come, we talk in English. We adapt this. What they see behind their surrounding, they adopt this.
They are habitual.
They are
of
habitual
environment.
They
So
think
mainly
that.
environment.
Hmm.
In Hotchkiss area and Saket area we can see environment.
If I see, if you go in Slack City Mall and if you eat any chocolate, so you won't throw it onto the floor. Definitely you will look for the dustbin or you will keep in your pocket. But if
We maintain
if you are
you
roaming in
maintain
this
your
area,
class at that
if you
time.
are roaming in this area, you will not see for dustbin. You just throw. Road is your dustbin.
At that time
This is
we
the-
maintain
because
our
you are
class
habitual
when
of
we
your
are
life.
in a good
Environment.
area.
Yeah,
So
that's
first,
true.
First we should make a good environment in Sangam.
Yeah.
Then people understand that.
जो कभी होगा.
But here is a
Never this
sir,
thing
here
never.
is a mix.
No, it's not also it's not
Yeah,
also impossible.
One night they can be.
Yeah, it's true. See, I understand
But
that
if,
Rome was not built in a
I
day.
have noticed something in Hussainpur as well. When he came here, whenever you just notice him, whenever he eats anything, like he's sitting on the table and he's eating something, I have seen him, he always clean after finishing. He always clean the table, he always throw all the garbage in the dustbin. I always say, sir, don't do that. I do it. Even I also do it. This kind of manners you don't see in other people. Very few people are carrying with this. Even you are in restaurant, if you are eating something, I have seen so many people, they use tissue paper and they clean their table. Even they are waiters, they are cleaners.
Yeah.
But they do
even-
that by their own.
But
They-
even see when
they take responsibility.
yeah, even there are like 4 tables and all tables are booked, all are reserved. So one is there, a person who is not cleaning the table. So everybody look that table, right? Because he will be like in the mind of those people that he is not the good guy. He is not like you can say responsible. He thinks that if I am paying, so they will do.
They will do. They will
Hmm,
clean. They
right.
they ask to clean something.
That's why. For example,
If someone already has eaten before you, so
Yeah.
if the table is messy, definitely you won't clean because it wasn't done by you.
Yeah,
You
that's
ask-
not good.
You will ask someone to clean it. But if you are eating and something happened because of you, so I have seen him and I
Okay, we just try to leave this topic when you are eating in a restaurant because you are paying. But what about the like weddings when you are going? People who eat like you can say mutton or chicken bones, they just throw bones wherever they want.
They want.
They make table dirty, and people who are coming, just think about that guy who is the father of the bride, how much he worked hard, how he is trying to you can just serve to the people, respect, he is trying to give the respect to everyone. But what if like if a person comes who is very respected in sight of him, he comes and he finds that this table is very dirty and these kind of things are there, so what he will think? There's that all the people are who belong to him all are bad, so how my daughter is going to be how my son is going to be happy? The girl will be also bad. That happens because when you are going to enter in a family, you watch that everybody is bad, so they will or she will be also bad. It happens. So what about the family, what about your societies? If you are going, so you have to be responsible.
Responsibility is the major
Even we Indians, whenever we try
We
to
did not take any responsibility.
Personally, I find that Ramesh sir is very responsible. I have seen and I have observed his body language. His son is also one of them. Shobit is also gentle, and I'm observing you that you're also very gentle. So people these days are not responsible. They are not taking responsibility even on weddings. They are eating. They are taking lot of on their plates.
they
and
take
wasting
whatever
of
they
food.
find, they take a lot of things. Like
Yes.
if there is chicken fry, they take a lot of pieces.
Yeah, they take a lot of.
What happens then? They are done, so they just throw.
Throw. We waste lot of food, which is not good. So we should take responsibility.
Even they cannot buy from the market. That's the reality.
So people are not responsible.
So why don't they don't have the patience? Why don't you try like just take little bit, then you can take it, right? Where it is going. But what we can do?
So environment and responsibility, two things which is very important in human life.
The responsible person will not think about environment. He is responsible. The environment, or it doesn't affect. But yes, if the person who is irresponsible, he will think about environment. Like if you are at home, you will eat rajma chawal from your hand. But if you are on wedding, you will look for the spoon and the fork. You will show your formalities. Yes. Same, if you are in someone's car, you will throw your chocolate wrapper on the road. But if you are in Saturday walk, you will look for the dustbin or the waste of the coffee. So the person who is responsible, the environment doesn't affect, but the person who is responsible,
Mentality.
yes, he will look for the environment who is,
Wishing.
who is watching things.
Yeah, it happens. See, if a cameraman comes in wedding as well,
They hide their plate.
they had their
Then
plate.
suddenly you stop speaking.
You stop eating as well. See, why are
And situation is so embarrassing.
and why are you like trying to stop yourself? Eat? Is it not a
And we basically
good thing?
People say.
Some people doesn't care about it. Some people don't care about it.
Some
They
people
just
only
eat.
focus on
They just
food
eat and
and
they
enjoy.
go
No,
for cameraman also.
if they are eating gently, do whatever you want. If they are eating gently, so do whatever you want. But if they are eating in a bad manner, they know that's why they are doing. That's why they are trying to stop
And they say,
themselves.
You only see me.
Yeah.
I'm only here.
There are a lot of people who
There are a
focus on
lot
that.
of people.
It doesn't matter. See, he is the cameraman. He's trying to capture the moments, memories. So you are sitting there. So you will be in the camera. You will be in that memories. So just eat whatever you want. But you are not doing in a good manner. That's why you are hiding. You also know yourself. Everybody knows themselves. See, even a thief, if he is going to steal something, he knows. That's why he does not tell that I am a thief. Right? He does not tell to the people that my profession is stealing something. He does not tell because he knows also that it's not a good thing. If a person who is, you can say, criminal, he does not tell. Maybe he can tell to show the, you can say, show off to ego, like that. But he does not tell to the every person because he also knows that he is not good person. He is also a bad person in the society. Everybody knows about their self, but they don't do these kind of things because they are thinking that what will happen if we tell them, so they will make a perception for us. Okay, so